Hey guys, welcome back. This is Lena. How are you guys doing? I hope you guys are doing great. So guys, today I have a really interesting face pack video, and this face pack is amazing for our skin. And you know what the ingredient is? It's Ragi face pack. I know you guys must be shocked कि Ragi and होता क्या है ये Ragi and all. Okay, so let me talk about Ragi. Ragi is a millet, and especially we South Indians, I'm a South Indian, and we consume a lot of Ragi, especially Ragi roti is like my favorite, and it's really healthy for your hair and skin. So Ragi face pack जो है, that is also really good for your skin. If you guys don't eat Ragi, I don't know if a lot of people eat, but आजकल इतना popular हो गया है. A lot of people are having, if you know thali peet also Maharashtrian dish है, उसमें भी थोड़ा सा रागी flour डलता है. So it's really healthy. It's very good. So ऐसे कुछ दिखता है रागी flour. Okay, this is what it looks like. Just take some ragi flour. This is about 2 tablespoons of ragi flour that I have here. The next ingredient that you will need is yogurt or curd, dahi. So some dahi, and then we'll mix these two things, and this is going to be our face pack. So Ragi, as I told you, has so many nutrients in it. It has vitamin C, vitamin E, it has so many antioxidants, and it has protein. So it's really good for anti-aging, and if you have any skin damage, आपके लिए तो ये बहुत अच्छा है, आपकी skin को बहुत अच्छा कर देगा. So now let's make this face pack. It's so simple. All you need to do is take your ragi flour. I'm going to add dahi into this. Okay, this is my ragi flour. I add dahi. I think I'll add 1 more spoon. Now mix it really well. Make a nice paste. My paste. All I'm gonna do is apply it on my face. All over your face really well. Guys, I've applied it on my face. Now let this stay for about 15 to 20 minutes. Let it dry completely, and then we rinse it off. So while we're waiting, I'll just tell you that when you rinse it off, these has like that really scrub type texture in this. It has this chotu this thing. So guys, I applied it. Let it stay for about 15 to 20 minutes. Let it dry completely, and then you rinse it off. But before rinsing it off, the thing that you need to do is apply water and scrub your face a little bit, and then you rinse it off. So ये scrub भी हो जाएगा और आपका face pack भी हो जाएगा. So just wait for about 15 to 20 minutes. Washed my face and I'm back. And guys, please make sure when you're rinsing your face, when you scrub, be very gentle. You don't want to spoil your skin. And my skin feels great, and I really think you guys should try this face pack. It was super easy. All you need is ragi flour and yogurt, and just mix it and apply it, and do this at least 2 times a week, and to see results. So do try this. Let me know in the comment section below, and if you have any more questions, please ask me, and follow me on Instagram. My Instagram account is Lena Official. Thanks so much for watching, guys. See you soon.